So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use emojis or how to add emojis in Canva. So very simple. All you have to do is go to the left-hand side of the bar right here, go down to where it says more at the bottom, and then go to where it says popular. And I want you to press on the emoji icon. Then once that is open, you are greeted to a lot of emojis on the left-hand side. So for example, if you want to add the eye emoji, you can just go press on the eye emoji. You can make it a little larger if you want, just for the sake of this video. I'll make the background blue. So there you go. If you want to add the thumbs up emoji, there you go as well. You're able to change the color of these emojis too if you want. So if you want to change the eye color, for example, you can change the eye color to blue or whatever color you really want. Now, if you want to search up the emoji, so you just go to the search emoji tab. I'm going to press smile. So then we can just search for smile, and then it'll find all the emojis that have the smile. So we'll just add this one right here. There you go. So just a quick tutorial on how to add emojis in Canva. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next one.